How does group work on Google Drive? Google Drive is known to offer easy and versatile collaboration possibilities, allowing coworkers to easily share documents and calendars, regardless of where they are located or what time it is. Every project can be saved in a Google Doc for future reference, and users have access to tools to visualize timestamps, reminders, and shared calendars. However, knowing how to use the application effectively may not always seem so clear-cut. This article goes over basics of how creating a group on Google Drive works, who can't share with whom, how do you schedule meetings, is it possible to set individual timestamps across team members, is there a harm in sharing information with all the participants on a non-secured medium like a public website, and more. The less complicated and efficient things become, the better. This kind of allowance is particularly applicable if you work across different countries or closely timed zones where people may be busy at all times during typical working hours. Within capabilities you can in and create groups in bulk, but I will show how it works for individual file creation. For clarity, all in Office data. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a service that allows users to share and store files on the internet. Users can upload their files to the cloud, where they will then be available on all of their devices. The service was launched in early 2009 by Google. True. What factors affect group work on Google Drive? Google can create groups of people with documents, share those groups with other people, and then invite those other people to group work. People have their own individual pages, which is different than a Google Doc. The page for the group typically shows everyone's document and some collaboration tools for comments or edit checks. You can access one of these pages through the My Drive menu on your computer or the Google Drive menu. To create the new group, click on the Group Tools drop-down menu and select the option. The new share owner is your username combined with an underscore to separate it from any usernames already in use. If you set home directory permissions to allow group access, but not ownership, then other people may be able to visit and read. Workgroups on Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage service that offers a free 5 GB of storage for the first 15 Google accounts. It still allows group sharing, which offers features such as adding and editing documents. When it comes to team projects, arranging multiple people in one document is beneficial because everyone can see what everyone else is doing at all times. Getting started. To begin using WebDAV, Google Drive, and Office 365 for team projects in SharePoint, you need to be signed into your company's domain from the client computer. Anyone who is accessing the files from within their network employs workgroups on Google Drive. They should open up their Google Chrome web browser and follow this link, https://drive.google.com/open as shown in Figure 9-9. Figure 9-9 Microsoft Office 2013. How can I make my right-click more effective? Group is a team of peers who collaborate on a set of files. To get to your shared drive folder, log into your email address. Click the ellipsis on the right side of the toolbar and select your share. You can also use this method if you are using Google Chrome and want to directly access your drive folder. Once there, it is available to view by clicking the download icon next to the extension. If you are using the Dropbox extension, it will not work, and the only way to access this is by typing or use your email address. The easiest way to access your Dropbox folders have sent an email will allow you to access those folders via web browser if you can't find them over Drive. Following are two different ways in which you may go about doing that. Both of these methods will ease you into where you want to be accessing your Drive folder by email address. HTML. Conclusion. When working on a team project in Google Drive, work is saved to the online cloud. After the files are sent, members can see those files that have been sent by other group members in their Drive account.